How to configure celery beat_schedule in Django settings? I can get this to run as a standalone application, but I am having trouble getting it to work in Django. Here is the standalone code. It feeds the Rabbit server and writes to the file every minute. It works like a charm, but when I try to get it to work in a Django I get this error. And this is my code in Django. Celery.py. Task.py. Init.py. Any thoughts on this are most appreciated. Thanks.
Why don't you try like the following and let me know if it worked out for you or not? It does work for me. In settings.py. And in tasks.py. But if you are looking for shared_task, then I use share task for async jobs. So I need to call it from a function like the following. In views.py, or anywhere.py in your project app. And just in case if you have forgotten, then remember to include your app in which you are trying to run to the tasks. I'm sure this approach works fine. Thanks.
If you want to see more